All right, what's your name?
My name is Kat.
Kat. Oh, is that your real name?
Yes, that's my real name.
Is it?
Yeah, I kind of
So-
just went into it for.
so you do have a kawaii name.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you dress like this all the time?
Yeah, most of the time every time I leave my house. I also do like emo kind of goth fashion too as well. So it's either end of the spectrum. I'm either in bright pinks or in blacks and like looking really scary.
Oh, cool. In Japan, they would say kakui, cool, or sugoi.
Yes, I've heard
Sugoi,
that before, I've heard that.
amazing. So you've never been to Japan.
No, but I really, really want to go.
What are your plans for this year?
For this year,
Mhm.
like fashion wise.
I mean, in terms of, will you be going this year?
I don't know about this year. I'm studying this year and then saving and then maybe next year.
Okay.
I want to have good budget for buying clothes while I'm there.
Yeah. I understand. So how did you get into kawaii fashion?
I was on Tumblr when I was like 14 years old, and I would always see like the kawaii fashion girls from Japan on the streets, the streetwear, and I always wanted to do it. And then when I had money, I just decided to buy it. So
Wow. So how long have you been doing it?
3 years now.
Oh, cool. I bet you get a lot of attention daily.
Yes.
Because in Japan, this is probably not so out of the norm, but
But here it's
in
like,
Australia,
especially you get some strange people come up to you, but that's okay.
that's cool. All right, thank you for talking with me today,
problem.
Kat. Enjoy the rest. Oh, look at the bag. So kawaii desu ne.
Gentlemen, for your information, if oxygen is required today, you must remove your face mask before putting on the oxygen mask.
The life jacket also has a whistle and a light to attract attention. There are emergency escape and flotation devices accessible.
The beautiful city of Brisbane. Oh my. open 9:30 to 4. manager say me picture them, you know. Everybody pass me and him come and ask me if no one me take him take it and him take him picture them nice. See there? Me da wonder if me run away with my phone, but him take me picture them, brother. Body have one, more one. So I look for the KFC Cheddar burger. Couldn't never Jamaica or KFC the underground. Seriously? KFC for the under yourself. What a Burger King and blah 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 up the top. And KFC down yourself. Jamaica amount of KFC that's so sure I forgot how. So I want to find KFC, this better be good, and it's zinger. I haven't had zinger in over 3 years, so I don't remember how it tastes, so they might get away if it tastes good. I'm sure it's not like Jamaican zinger. It's my first time having KFC here. Potato and gravy. Ketchup, just like in Japan. Don't like the potato, don't taste good. God bless it, two little piece of chicken. And then say, oh gosh, Mr. Arts barbecue. I like them on barbecue. Barbecue my favorite, you know. It's not it. It's have a little bit of spice, but definitely not Jamaican, you know. So I asked them for a barbecue sauce. And I put it on the tray. At least them give me, them never charge me. Now you hear that? You were playing in Australia, yeah? down there in Australia. Look what I spot. Daiso. Let's see if it's for $1. I like Daiso. Let's go check out Daiso. I love Daiso to the point when we find Daiso in Australia. Okay. So it's a bit similar to the one in Japan. You have the different sections, of course. The prices. 220 yen, so that's 420 Australian dollars. 60. Big store, big enough. Australian beef jerky that I've heard about. Let's try it. I already washed my hands. This is the texture. It's kind of hard. This is a barbecue flavor. Not bad. It's a bit tough, but it's good. A bit chewy, but the flavor isn't bad. It's not salty. You can taste a bit of the barbecue. Jump from bed to bed. What then it is? Has it got like a slippers to put on? One thing with Japan, yeah, I go get slippers. Come with socks, can make it the carpet clean.